congratulate the entire association of Tank Soda Sport Association of Goa. The credit goes to the entire association, and the credit goes to the entire team, especially the secretary, General Secretary of Sport Association of Goa. Now, this is a tournament held at Delhi. This is a national school games under 17 and under 19 nationals 2017. Altogether 11 states took part in this, and we have secured the second position, and we have already taken 8 medals, and we have secured a second position. So this is the credit goes to the entire management. I want to thank all the supporters, especially the leaders of Kortalim. They have been very supportive to us, and also Director of Sports, Mr. Prabhu Desai, has supported us a lot. So I want to thank them.
आपल्या फॅमिली खूप सपोर्ट केला, माझ्या सरांक खूप सपोर्ट केला, म्हाका ट्रेनिंग खूप दिला, टेक्निक सांगला म्हणून म्हाका मेडल गावला. सरान टेक्निक सांगलें म्हाका मेडल गावपाचें. हांव माझ्या सराक खूप हे म्हणटा, बरें म्हणटा, आनी माझी फॅमिली सपोर्ट ना जाल्यार म्हाका काय जावपाचें ना.
टुर्नामेंटाक आमचे 62nd नॅशनल आमचे मेडल जाले 1 गोल्ड 2 सिल्वर आणि 5 ब्रॉन्झ, आणि ओवरऑल सेकंड पोजिशन गोंयाक मेळ्ळें. आणि 9 टीम गेले गोंयासून, आमकां फर्स्ट ट्रॉफी आमकां मेळ्ळें, आणि ओनली 1 टीम इन गोल्ड गोवा.